September. All right, let's talk about food and good stuff for you and affordable stuff, Angela.
That is what we're doing out here with Annessa Chumley this morning. We're talking about a family of 4. You want to go on a picnic, maybe you want to go camping. How do you make it affordable? And we've also been talking about losing baby weight and staying healthy. I'm like, hey, I've fallen off the bandwagon a little bit, but let's talk a little bit about eating healthy. And if you're going to go on that, you know, picnic, what do you do?
Stretching your dollar on a healthy picnic.
Yeah.
The theme of our picnic is simple. So we've got
I like
3,
that too.
Yeah, really simple. You don't want to spend time in the kitchen. You want to get out there outside. So we've got 3 really simple recipes today.
Okay.
To start us off, we have an easy fruit salad. Now this fruit salad, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the grocery or farmer's market, pick the 3 least expensive fruits. Those should also be the fruits that are the most in season, because things that are in season are going to be cheap. They're also going to be taste best because they'll be really ripe, and they will be the best for us, the most nutrition packed.
Okay, if you're hearing the wind right now on our microphones, we apologize, but it is a little windy out here today. Let's talk about how much you could do that for. How much does it cost you?
You toss it in 1 container of yogurt, and the whole thing's going to cost you $3.29.
Wow.
Price per serving is 82 cents.
Well, we like that very much.
Just 3 fruits tossed in 1 container of vanilla yogurt. Kids are going to love it.
Oh, okay. What else?
Next, we've got grape chicken salad and pita pockets. So what I did was I took half my grapes in the fruit salad, and then the other half I used in the chicken salad. This is delicious. I was munching on it last night. I almost didn't even bring it in.
Parmesan cheese in there?
No, it's just canned chicken. It's really, really simple. Canned chicken, a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise, or you could use yogurt, and then the half bunch of grapes. One of the rules of saving money, Angela, is to not have any leftovers. So that's why I used grapes there, and then I used the rest of the leftovers there.
Okay, and then you used not mayonnaise, or you didn't?
You can either use light mayonnaise or yogurt, and I used whole wheat pitas, and pitas are great because they travel really well.
Okay. Sometimes you look at the calories on that mayonnaise and you're like, whoa,
yeah, that's why light tastes the same. It's just higher in water, actually. Okay, final is a Mexican dip, and for that I just took a can of refried beans and a container of salsa, and you just mix those 2 things around together, heat it up, put it in a little to-go container, and then for my chips, you know, bags of chips are $3 or $4.
Yeah, they can be, right?
So, and they're not good for us anyway. So instead of using that, I used the rest of my pitas. I have 4 left over, so I cut them up and toasted them and put some oregano on them. You can use veggies too, but they're delicious. That whole thing is $4.32, 70 cents a serving.
Okay, and then we have some veggies that you left there. What's the dip?
This is really easy. Easy for kids. You just put peanut butter in a little container, and then you can pack the veggies around. If you're going to go on a picnic by yourself, that makes a really easy way to go.
And you have a picture of something very inexpensive.
Very inexpensive. That's sugar-free Kool-Aid, and that's going to be about 8 cents per 16 ounces, so 33 cents for 2 quarts. So our whole picnic,
that's what I want to know. Ding, 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 how much? Yes, it's priceless. It tastes good.
It's $12.30 or $2.69 a serving.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
$2.69 a serving.
$2.69. So the meat is typically the most expensive thing. So you're going to bulk that up using either grapes or celery or pickles, and that's a good way to go.
Very nicely done. All right, if you'd like to get in touch with Annessa, she can help you out, get you motivated to eat healthy and take care of yourself. Fox59.com for more information on that. And Matt, what'd you just tell me? Okay. Free perfect picnic spots too. The downtown canal walk